Hi, here you can see brick masonry work in progress at site. The surface is already prepared and a thin layer of cement mortar is spread on the ground. This base helps the brick sit properly and stay stable. Now the first row of bricks is placed carefully over the mortar. Each brick is adjusted by hand to maintain the straight alignment. Spacing between bricks is kept uniform and the line is followed properly. Fresh mortar is applied between the bricks for proper bonding. This ensures the brick hold together firmly. Extra mortar is filled where required, and unnecessary material is removed to keep the work clean. You can notice that the bricks are checked continuously for line and level, so small corrections are made immediately to avoid mistakes later. After completing the first course, mortar is spread evenly on the top. This prepares the surface for the next layer of brickwork. Consistent mortar thickness helps maintain uniform height. The work continues gradually, brick by brick. Each joint is properly packed with mortar to avoid gaps. This improves strength and durability of the masonry. Hands and tools are used carefully to adjust the bricks. Alignment and level are maintained throughout the process. Clean workmanship makes the next construction stages easier. This brickwork is executed especially for compound wall construction. Structural walls require different detailing and specifications. This step-by-step method helps achieve a stable and well-aligned brick wall. Thanks for watching.